Welcome to Building Better Boys Carpentry. So if you're watching this video, that means you've already purchased or you're thinking about purchasing a Building Better Boys Carpentry house framing kit. All right, and this is my son Khalid. He's 6 years old and he's gonna walk us through everything we need to do to become young carpenters. So what you got there, son?
A Building Better Boys carpentry kit.
All right, let's see. All right, so with the kit, you got everything you need except for what?
Your hammer.
Hammer. So where are we gonna go now?
To that way for hammer.
To get your first hammer. All right. So that's a very important moment in a young boy's life. Your very first hammer. Okay. So we putting these phones down, we putting these video game controllers down, and we picking up tools, right?
Yeah.
All right. So we're on our way now to the tool store. We're gonna go get our hammer and we're gonna start. Peace out. All right, we're here at Harbor Freight, here with Khalid, and we're gonna go get our very first hammer. Okay, so we just left Harbor Freight. What you got there, buddy?
My very first hammer.
Okay, you got two of them, right?
Yeah.
Which one you gonna use? That one? Okay. What about the big one?
Oh, yeah.
Both?
Yeah.
All right. So we got our hammer, and now we're ready to get started on our Building Better Boys Carpentry house framing kit. You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Peace out.